Hi friends, welcome to finideas.com. Today we will learn how low delta options are better compared to high delta options for short gamma strategies. First, we should understand what is short gamma. Gamma represents the change in delta with respect to 1 rupee change in spot price. Gamma values are always positive. But if we sell the options, then our portfolio gamma becomes negative. Hence, short gamma means options writing or selling strategies. Formulation of strategy. If you want to make short gamma strategy, you have to sell either calls or puts or both. Now the question is, which option we should sell? ATM versus OTM. ATM options carry highest gamma and highest theta, while OTM options carry low gamma and low theta. It indirectly means that ATM options carries higher risk and return profile compared to OTM options. Greeks of short ATM straddle. If we sell ATM straddle, our delta will be neutral, our gamma will be short, Vega will also be short, theta will be long because we have solved options. Rho will be neutral, Volga will also be neutral because we are carrying the position at ATM options, and Vana will also be neutral. Now we put the data on wall hedge and we want to see the behavior of gamma. Gamma is always highest when it is ATM, and it reduces as the option becomes OTM or ITM. Similarly, theta is always highest at ATM, and it reduces as the option becomes OTM or ITM. But theta values are always comes in negative terms. Now we have put the data on wall hedge in the manner so that we can see the graph of delta, gamma and theta on one screen. The graph is showing the behavior of delta versus gamma versus theta. At ATM level, delta is almost at around 0.50, and it gives you highest theta to earn if you sell the options, but it is carrying highest risk as gamma is also highest at the money option. Hence, it is better to sell low delta options as they are OTMs, as the probability of getting exercised of OTMs are lower than ATMs. Similarly, as gamma is lower at OTM, so it increases the risk at lower pace compared to at the money options. We have plotted the data of market watch over here. The Nifty current market price is 5000. Here we have put all the strikes of Nifty, call premiums and put premiums. Now if we sell 5000 ATM straddle, we get 220 rupees premium, and there is a probability that we can earn rupees 220 if market closes at 5000 on expiry date. If we sell 4700 put, that is OTM put, and 5300 call, that is OTM call, the strangle, then we will get the premium of rupees 55. Now as per normal distribution curve, probability of market breaking 1 sigma range is low compared to moving in 1 sigma. And secondly, OTM options will reach to 0 before 1 week of maturity, while ATM will become 0 only at the closing of expiry. For more details, contact us at www.finideas.com. Thank you.